Hi, so you want to restring a guitar. You've come to the right place. It's a good idea to replace your strings regularly. Whether this means every 2 weeks or 1 month, do it regularly to keep your guitar sounding good and to prevent snaps, which can damage your guitar. Firstly, you'll need a steel string acoustic guitar. This means it is a wooden guitar with a hole in it and the strings are made of metal. Secondly, you'll need a pack of strings. There are many different types. If you would like a more detailed guide, check out Rob Scallon's String Gauges 101 for a good intro to the different types. It will be linked in the descriptions. All that's important is that they are for a steel string acoustic guitar. Do keep in mind that the ends of the strings are sharp and can prick you quite easily, so make sure not to touch them. Thirdly, you'll need some side cutters. Optional tools include rags, string winders, and tuners. You should probably use all three. Step 1. Place guitar on a flat surface. Step 2. Loosen one string until it can be pulled off the tuning peg. Only restring 1 or 2 strings of the guitar at a time to avoid warping and damaging the neck of the guitar. Step 3. Using your string winder or side cutter, remove the peg at the bridge of the guitar. Place this peg somewhere safe as you'll need it later. Step 4. Pull string out of the hole and wrap it up. Set aside to make throwing away easier later. Step 5. This is a good time to do a little cleaning of the guitar. Go in with rags or tissues and a wet Q-tip to get all the gunk out that might have settled. Step 6. Retrieve new string from packet. Make sure it's the right string by viewing the packet it comes in. They usually have a color code. In my case, it is bronze. Step 7. Place the ball end of the spring into the designated hole on your guitar. Step 8. Place the pin removed from earlier over the string with the slot in the pin facing towards the neck of the guitar. Step 9. While applying light pressure to the pin, pull up on the string until it is taut. Once it is taut, push the pin all the way in and pull on the string once more. Step 10. Take the other end of the string to the head of the guitar and slot it through the tuning peg. Step 11. Wind the string so that the string lays inside of the head. If you have a different style head, follow the path of least resistance or least angle to get to the nut. Step 12. Wind until the string is roughly in tune. And you wind the excess string around once more and then snip off the excess with the side cutters. You could stretch out your strings to prevent future detuning by pulling slightly at the 12th, 7th, and 19th frets. This is just a good rule of thumb because these are the harmonic points. This will help you stretch out the strings a little bit more, and you shall be able to retain a tune better this way. Step 13, repeat this process for the remaining 5 strings. And now, your guitar is all tuned, and you should be able to play it. Thank you.